welcome back to my channel. Yes, I have Miss Charlotte with me today. I'm just bonding with my little baby today. And I went to Walgreens this morning, you guys. Like, I hate this. Like, when I know 90% is happening, I cannot sleep at night because I'm so excited to see what I can find. And the thing I really wanted to get was more coolers. And I'm just like, I know they're not going to have any more coolers. But I usually go to a different store because there is a lady that lives in my area who literally clears off the shelves. So I don't even bother going to that store first because I don't want to be disappointed. So I got up, got the kids dressed, and we walked out the door. I had problems with my account working. Like, I did it and then I was going to redeem points and the system froze. I had to go to 4 different registers and they had to reboot them all, and the system just froze and froze and froze, and the guy's like, it's not your account, it's something with Walgreens. And I'm just like, okay, you know, and I wasn't getting mad or anything. He's like, I hate moving you over here to there to there to there. I'm like, that's okay, you guys, I'm not complaining. And then I went to my other store that I usually go to, and they're like, yeah, that lady was there. And I'm like, that's okay. But my store they had everything pretty much marked at that store, which was awesome. And I'm surprised they did have a lot of stuff left. But the summer stuff will be going on clearance coming up soon, but the 90s doesn't happen until September. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. But let's just dig in so I can share with you guys what I got. So I ended up getting this Sharper Image Bluetooth Intelligent Grill Thermometer. I thought, I don't know if this was even something cool. I thought maybe Graham would like something like this. It's kind of a gadget. This was $26.99. Like, who would spend $26.99 on this little stinking thing? But we got this for $2.69. So I thought, you know what? That's okay. It's worth just try it and see how, you know, you like it, or we can always gift it to somebody. I did find these. I thought these were kind of cute to give away for a gift, especially like my mom. She likes to garden and she loves flowers. So I thought these would be great. This was, I wrote it all down to go through this. It was 99 cents, you guys. 99 cents. Like, I just love getting stuff super cheap for a gift. So I was excited that I got that. The one store I went to had a ton of flavor ice. Benjamin, be quiet, honey. Yeah, the one store had a ton of flavor ice, and I thought, you know what, I'll get these. They're kind of a pain in the butt, but you know, you can't go wrong for 59 cents flavor ice. So I got that to share for Benjamin. Benjamin saw this and he wanted it. I'm like, you know what, why not? So
this is for my room.
This is going to be for his room, but this was only 99 cents, and I thought that was cool. You guys can't really, oh, I have it backwards. Let me shut the light off so you guys can kind of see it glow. We just got to take the little thing off. But thought that would be kind of cool for Ben's room, and especially for 99 cents, you cannot go wrong with that. I found these bottles. Now, they're probably not that well of an insulated bottle, but I'm like, you know what? I'm still going to try it out. It doesn't seem like it's got like a really good seal on the top. But you know what? For 99 cents, this is the way to go. Like, these are originally 10 bucks, and I got them for 99 cents. Hot beverages will remain hot for several hours. So be careful. Hand wash only. Do not place in the freezer. It's for your birthday, so we got 2 of those. Just because I thought those would be kind of good to use. Sorry, Benjamin's being a little pain in the butt. So, I ended up getting some of these the other day at Walgreens, and I'm like, you know what, I'm going to get more. So my store had these marked down to 19 cents. So when I went to the second store, they had everything all marked down except these, and I'm like, oh, they must not have these marked down because these were not marked down when I went and got my coolers. And she scanned them, she's like, yep, 19 cents. You guys, this is awesome. I love having these because I always have to have a couple of these when we go somewhere because of Charlotte. Plus, you know, with me couponing and stuff, it's good to have these while I go grocery shopping because it is so hot outside. It's nice to just have these. So I ended up buying 6 of these, you guys. So I got 2 right here. But I mean, 19 cents? 19 cents for these? That is such a great deal, especially for like lunches and everything. So if you guys are interested in something like that. The next thing we got is, if I can get it out of the box, is this grooming kit. Now, I love grooming kits. We have this stuff all around our house because we're always losing nail clippers and stuff. And I thought, you know what, this is great. Graham's always wanting tweezers or something like that. So like have one upstairs at both of our desks. So I ended up getting both of these. These were 79 cents. 79 cents. I absolutely love it when you can get like a whole grooming kit for 79 cents. So I got 2 of those because that's all they had. I ended up picking up my pictures. They had 25-cent pictures the other day, so I ended up getting those. So I haven't looked at that, but I will look at that. And then they had one citronella candle here, and this was 69 cents. So this was $6.99 originally. I got it for 69 cents. I thought this is great just to have on our back deck when we want to chill. The mosquitoes are kind of bad in our area. So 69 cents. You can't go wrong with that. You just can't. You can't. So there's that. Now I'm going to end up hurting myself because I got some other stuff. So I ended up getting these skewers. I wasn't sure if I needed them or not, but you couldn't go wrong for 39-cent skewers. Or no, these were 59 cents. No, 39 cents. Yeah. 39 cents for that, and I thought, you know, that's kind of good. And then there's actually there is a recipe on here for asparagus, salami, and Italian dressing. I should actually try something like that. Why not? Why not? So, got some skewers for 39 cents. You cannot go wrong with that. I ended up getting 4 of these because I thought this was a great deal. These were 59 cents. They originally wanted $5.99 for these, and I got them for 59 cents. My mom just got a new grill, so I got one for that for her, and then I got one for my in-laws to use for their grill, and then Graham grills all the time. So I'm like, 59 cents for this. It's a great deal, and it feels like it's a good quality. So yeah, I got these for that price, and I got 4 of them. I ended up getting this 3-piece tool set, but it looks like the 3rd piece might be missing. The spatula is... Was it supposed to be with this? I don't know. But this thing is missing. It came loose, but it says it's 4-in-1 spatula. Yeah, I don't know. 3-piece tool set. I don't know, but there's only 2 pieces here, but it's like the prongers and then like a little gripper thing. I can't think of the word all the time. But this was originally $9.99, so I got this for 99 cents. And then I ended up getting this spatula. I wonder if that was supposed to go with it. Yeah, it was supposed to go with it. So, whatever. But there's that. And then I also got this little marker things. Because my husband, we always have people over sometimes. And they're like, well, whose drink is what? And I thought, I don't have anything like that. And I thought, those are kind of cute. Miss Charlotte's like, hello, everybody. Hello. Yeah. So I ended up getting the cactus ones. Now, they had cactus, watermelon, and flamingos. I wasn't a big fan of the flamingo ones, but I thought the cactus ones are kind of cute. And these were... I just dropped my candle. These were... God, how much? 19 cents. 19 cents. So that was everything that was in my little big bag that I had. Let me share with you guys what else I got. So I ended up getting 3 different size coolers. Now, they didn't have the coolers that I really wanted, but they did got soft coolers, which I actually was thinking about. These are perfect. So when we go grocery shopping, if we want to stop somewhere before heading home, I don't have to worry about my food melting. So this was the medium size igloo cooler. So this was 99 cents. 99 cents. I thought that is a great price for 99 cents. I mean, you could fit a whole 12 pack in here, and I think this was a 12 pack or something like that, but can't go wrong for 99 cents. So that means it was originally $10. And then I got the smaller one, which this is perfect for like little lunches and everything. I got the smaller one. This was 79 cents for this little thing. So I thought that was a good deal. And this is a 6 can, so that's a 12 can. And then I got a bigger one, but I'll show that to you guys once I get everything out. I thought I'm going to work on some projects with Benjamin on, you know, gardening. Like, get him some gardening stuff that we could just kind of put on the back deck or, like, you know, next to the front of the house so he can just grow stuff. But this is a kitchen herbs grow kit. It's got basil, chives, and cilantro in here. And I am obsessed with cilantro. I thought that is so cool for something like this, and this was 99 cents? 99 cents for a grow kit. I thought that is perfect for something like that, you know, just to work with Ben on that. And then they also had some other kits too, so I'll show you guys that in just a second. It's hard to grab stuff with Miss Charlotte. Yes, with Miss Charlotte. Miss Charlotte. Yeah! So then we also got oregano. So these were 49 cents. So we got oregano grow kit. And then I also got thyme. Again, 49 cents. So I thought those are great projects to work with Ben. You know, just get some dirt, put the grow kits in there, and just work on it. It includes all that stuff. So I think you just add the dirt to it. Maybe not. Maybe not. So can't go wrong with that. I got a spray bottle. The spray bottle was 19 cents. I thought this is kind of perfect for when we want to spray the plants or something like that. So I'm like, 19 cents, cannot go wrong with that. And then I also have another one of those glass markers in the watermelon for 19 cents. I thought that was super cute. And then I have more of these freeze packs. Like I said, I got 6 of them total for 19 cents, you guys. That is a great deal. Now, if your stores are not marked for them, just kind of guess what you think is in that correct spot. I know they have graduation stuff 90% off, and then they also have the Dr. Seuss stuff 90% off. So definitely just kind of guess, and you can always say, hey, I don't want that or anything. And then I ended up getting the large cooler. Like, this one's a big one. That one was $1.59. So you guys think about that. You know, you could even get a small cooler just for lunches. You know, I don't care. But that was my haul. I think I did do pretty good. I've been watching people on Instagram, and there's people just filling their carts full of stuff, which is fine, but I'm really trying to cut back on stuff that I don't need. So the stuff that I got is stuff that I'll actually be using. I mean, especially with the coolers with, you know, with Charlotte and the summertime and going places and road trips, it's good with the coolers. I got stuff that I can work on with Ben right now on growing herbs. So I was pretty excited with everything that I got. So, you guys, check your stores if you're not sure. Check the aisles, go over by the toys, there's like some stuff back there, and then there's also stuff in your back end caps. Just make sure you walk around the store and just kind of think of, you know, will this be 90% off or not? But I am pretty excited with everything that I got. You know, I spent $17.61. I paid under $20 for all of that stuff. I didn't even know how much I even saved. I'll probably put that in the description on how much I saved. But $17.61. I got 32 items. Now, if you do the math, I technically got everything for 55 cents. Yes. 55 cents I think is a great deal. So I hope you guys can get to your Walgreens and check it out. Just check around. That's all you got to do is just walk around the store and check it around. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have an awesome Walgreens 90% off day. And everybody say, hello, goodbye, Miss Charlotte. She's like, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more of me. Okay, thank you guys. Bye-bye.